What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. This video is a live trading footage video. I think it's about an hour long. So enjoy and like, comment what you did today or whatever, and subscribe to my channel to enter the $50 giveaway by me. I will be announcing the winner this Friday live on my next video. So make sure you do that, and you have a chance to win. And I finished up about $4,500. I was up $15,000 at one point. But after I cut off the video, I guess I was doing some boredom trading and I ended up losing. And but I still, finished up $4,500. I was nailing stocks. Y'all will see in the footage. And if you want to join the family, this is exactly what you see. But here you hear me doing commentary. If you want to join, go to dcprt.com, and you get live commentary, all my strategies, everything on my website. So that's it. Enjoy. Ears trying to curl back up. They're spiking up. Just watching ears. See what I just want to see what it's gonna do. Man, KCAC is not bouncing at all, man. Wow. It's crazy. I need a spike from KCAC for a short. Not gonna chase it. Just gotta be patient with it. Just trying to make a little bounce here. This looked like the same stop from yesterday when they had that big run up, then they had that big crash, and then it started grinding all the way back up. I'm gonna wait for a bounce, a clear bounce. I'm not gonna short on a miniature bounce. Okay. Ears look like it. Let's see. If ears can come down to the 110s, I'll look to get out, because it could double bottom. My target is 105 though, or either 99 cents. That's where my support lines are sitting at. Let's see what else going on. Got CORT going up. CORT. I may look to trade that one because this stock does have a lot of bad holders. From yesterday. Okay, give me that washout, baby. Let's go, ears. Let's go. Let's see what it does right here. Thank you very much. Let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm all out. Now I'm up $6,726. That plays over with for me. Let's see what else is going on. SDC. You got GTX. GTX. Big run up. And short with a starter at 325 on GTX. Just a starter. Added more. 322 average. I want a quick move to 310 if I can get it. It's on my red line. Might be a little chase though. Might just get out. Let me see. Because it could pop back up. See what it does. Okay, there you go. Let me get nah, I don't like that. Could go back up. Nice curl up on KC AC. May look to get short here. Let's see how much it can squeeze. Okay, nice squeeze. Got in short with a starter on KCAC at 1570. Just a starter. If it goes up more, I'm looking to add. Yeah, nice spike right there. Okay. 16. Added more at 16. I'm in 7,000 shares. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of GTX. Just take a loss there, so I can add more on KCAC. Try to get big win right here. Add a little bit more. My average on KCAC. Let's go. Yup. That's what I'm looking for. That's why I say be patient on that bounce. Let's go, man. I'm in 8,000 shares at 15.79. Let's get it. Let's get it. I hope y'all got in. Let's get it. Man, this thing can fade all day. It could, if it can break this level. I'm looking to hold this, man. Let's go. Where you get in, Cranty? Okay, 1561. Let's go. Now let's see how it. Let's see how it reacts on this bottom right here. If it holds up, I'm gonna see how the bounce is gonna do. Now it can come all the way back up. I've seen stuff like that happen before, but we in the driver's seat right now. So I'm not gonna take a loss on this. The question is how much money I'm gonna make. So that's the question. That's the best feeling in the world. Having a great position like that. Oh, I'm glad I got out of GTX. I'm gonna look to reshort that one right there. Well, not really. If you look at the history, it has a gap to fill in the 60s. So, and this is like its first green day. So I may step off of that for a little bit and just focus on KCAC. See, it's not cracking that. Guess we gotta give it time. If it cracks that level, that will be my new stop right there. At 1478. I think this stock on all day fade, man. And the previous all-time highs is at 1334. It held that level. It held that level real nice. But man, let's see. My target will probably be at 1441. That's where my support lines are at. So it should meet that. Then I'm gonna see how it reacts off of it. And if it bounces off of it, I'm gonna cover. Just gonna let it consolidate. If it stays heavy looking, we're looking good. Let's go. Let it do its thing. I know it can get to the 1450s. That's where my support lines are at. I doubt it breaks it, but if it does, that would be nice. I really want to stop at the previous highs at 1350. That's where I really want to take my profits at. But I know it's not gonna probably blow past my support lines. But we'll see when it get to it at 1450. It just had to crack this level first, man. It holding a base right here. If it cracks this level, it can really sell out because it's a lot of, I don't know who's sitting right here, buyers or whatever. But if it cracks that level, they can have a next leg down. It's a lot of support in the 1450s. If y'all see pre-market, also that's where my lines are sitting at. There you go. Let's go. Keep it going. Let me see. 1450s. Yup, there you go. Okay, now this the real test right here. This the real test. My support lines. This the real test. It might hold it. It might hold it up. I might take profit here. I don't want to get too greedy. So I'm finna see what it does right here. See what it do right here. If it keeps testing, and don't break, I'm gonna get out. Take profit. Then I can re-enter. Okay, as y'all know from yesterday, when it touched my support lines, that was the bottom of the stock, and the stock just kept going. So this could be the bottom of the stock, and the stock can reverse and keep going back up. So I'm gonna pay attention to these two lines, my support lines at the bottom. That's why I call them profit lines, because that's why I take my profit, because a lot of times stocks don't break past it. Okay, let's see what it does right here. Y'all see it's stalling and holding up. Yup, I'm probably gonna get out. See, I'm gonna let it pull back down. If it don't go, I'm out. Let's go. Because it shouldn't have no business going back over 15. It's crazy how strong my lines are, man. Y'all see it came straight down to it, and then it halted. See, now it's curling back up. See, that's what I'm saying. Okay, I tried to get out. Okay, I'm getting filled right now. All out. I'm not gonna play around with it because it could go all the way back up. It reclaimed the 15 level. As y'all seen, like, it took a while for it to crack that level right there. Now it's right back up over that level, so that's not a good sign. Like, it can reverse and spike right back up. I'm not gonna sit around and just play around with this stock. So I'm gonna wait for another entry, then I get back in. I was playing games yesterday. I'm not playing no games today. Okay, GTX looks like it's on the backside, so I'm back on this stock right here. I'm up $11,765 right now. Man, if this stock, if KCAC could keep fading, man, it could be a $20,000 day, even 30. But I try to get in short on GTX at 350. I mean 330. I didn't get filled out my shares. I just showed it at 325. I still have an order open at 330 to get filled. KCAC is not a short until it breaks my support lines. I'm not going to short it at all if it don't crack my support lines. I added more with 322 average, kind of a chase, but I think it's gonna crash on GTX. It's on the backside, and should head lower. All I gotta do is crack my red line right here, which is the toughest line to crack. So I wouldn't be surprised if it did bounce a little bit right here. I just don't want to miss this fade. I know it looks like it's gonna fade off, like to the threes. There it goes. Once it cracked 320, it could go straight to $3. Not gonna lie, it is kind of a bad entry, but it's all good. I got a bunch of cushion. I can afford it. I just don't want to miss out on this move. If I wasn't up a lot, I wouldn't never took this trade. I would have waited for a bounce, but I think it could wash out right here. Y'all see what I'm talking about on KCAC? See? Came down to my support lines and look what it's doing. It look like it's curling back up to make a reversal right back up. So if you got my lines, now y'all seeing how I'm using my lines now. See? that's how I'm able to call stuff out ahead of time, because I've seen it plenty times. My problem is sometimes I be hard headed on my own line sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. But time and time again it shows me. That's why I was able to get out at the perfect time before it started to go right back up. Now I can find another entry or whatever like that. It could be a long, but it got to set up. You got to set up. You can also use my profit lines as a long entry. You get in long. But yeah, it's however you want to do it. And just use it as a stop. If it cracks through it, you can just use it as a stop. The risk reward is very high. Yeah, MW. That's why I'm recording right now. I told everybody that the new channel is out. It's called if you go to the top, it says live screen share post. I'm going to be posting my screen. You know, when the trading day is over with, so you can see. Some people call my lines a blessing. I was like, oh, I don't know about that, but you know, it can be. I mean, it can save your ass. Say if you was stubborn and you got in at 15 and you was like, oh, this thing gonna crash to 13, and you didn't have my lines, you wouldn't know where the stock could stop at. But since you have my lines, you know where it could possibly stop at. That's why I said if it don't go ahead and crack my support lines, which it don't do, usually it don't do, but sometimes it does, I'm gonna get out. I gotta get out because the stock can spike. That's exactly what it's doing. Now I can look at the pattern and re-enter if I want to, or just leave it alone. But the only way I'm gonna short this if it cracks my lines. If it cracks my support lines, that's what I'm looking short. GTX is crashing now. That's what I expected. Let's see, can we get 310? I may just get out though, cause this This stock could go sideways the way it's looking like right now. I may just get out. Let me see. I cover half. Got 6,000 more shares left. Let me see what it does. Because I really don't like that wick. And now it's holding up on my red line. So let's see. Hassan, it's not live. Like, I can't show my screen right now. It's post. It's post live. Like, after the session is over with, I upload the video, then you can see it. Yeah. So just watch it and study it, and then you'll understand how I use my line. Okay, GTX, looking weak. I may get out right here, man. This stock too slow. I'm all out. Made about $1,000 on that. It's pretty nice. I'm up $12,273 now. Let's see what else in play. Y'all hold on for a second. Y'all see that? I predicted the future. Look at KCAC. Right back up. I'd be damn near broke even right now if I would have been stubborn and held my damn position. See? I caught this way ahead of time. Way ahead of time. Look. Man, I'd be broke even right now. Like, my entry was at 1579. I didn't call it. The lines did. That's why I be talking about my lines so much. If you didn't have them lines, you would not know where it's gonna stop at. You're gonna use technical analysis. I mean, it is. I mean, it is support pre-market in the 1450s. That's where my lines are at too. So that is a strong support level right there, because my lines are right there and the previous support is sitting right there. And they're bouncing up off of it. So I would be down right now. I would be losing right now. And pissed off right now. Do y'all hear any other trader talk about the lines like I do, and kind of like predicting the future and shit? Like, that's what I'm saying. No, I'm not planning on, like I said, KCAC, Cranty. I'm not gonna short it until it cracks my support lines. If you seen yesterday's video, that's a prime example. It hit my support lines yesterday, just like KCAC did today. It bounced off of it and didn't never come back. It just kept grinding up, kept grinding up. So that's why I'm saying you gotta learn your lesson. I'm learning myself too. You know, I know, but sometimes I could be stubborn sometimes. I mean, we all human, but that shit strained me out yesterday. Now I'm on point today. Yeah, Oku Films. Yeah, my when I lost $8,000 yesterday. Trade recap. Yeah. If you look at the chart, well, you can't see my lines on there because I don't show my lines in public. But if you follow me yesterday, you would have seen it. This is like the same setup. It just took KCAC a little longer to hit my support lines before bouncing right back up. I would be long biased because it's coming back over all these resistance levels, but you still got the major resistance at 1740 though. So that's why I'm not going long, because you got bad holders sitting right here. You got people that bought right there, trying to want to get out. And this candle traded 1.5 million shares. So I know it's a lot of long traders still sitting, trying to get out their position, hoping this stock come all the way back up. So I'm gonna wait. It has to clear 1740, and I'll be back long bias. But I'm not gonna short it though either until it crack all my lines to be on the safe side. My thoughts on AMRN. Nothing. Nothing. It's at its lows from the previous days, and it's not doing nothing. It's just sideways. I don't know why you looking at this stock. This stock not doing nothing. It had that halt at the beginning, but that's about it. The stock dead right now. It's trading in a range. It's trading between my lines right now. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna copy it so y'all can see. My red line is fighting with my support lines, but my support lines are on top of my red line though. That's kind of unusual, but they playing tug of war. That's why AMRN is going sideways, because it can't crack it. AMRN. Okay, I'm finna post it in the main chat so y'all can see. I just posted it. So yeah, if y'all see that, it's trading between my lines. Like it can't crack on the top or the bottom. So it's in this range. You don't know where it's gonna go. So that's a no play. Let's see what else in play. Okay, you got TCON. Let me see, TCON. Nice uptrending stock right here. Let's see the history. Check the history. Okay, I don't think it's going over $12, but it got a gap fill. Got a gap to fill. I doubt it get that high though. I don't trust it long. So the best thing to do is wait for the backside. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'll just wait for the backside. Just like I did with the other stock I just traded. Where is it at? GTX. It looked just like GTX. Okay, it made like a fake out breakout. Let's see. Try getting it at 305. Short at 305. I'm in all my shares now. Okay, it looks like it's on the back side now. Get some more shares to short. Okay, KCAC back. Okay, just added more on TCON. I feel like I chased it again, but this pattern look like the same pattern as GTX, so I can afford to do this. Want to go ahead and get it in. Let's see. I think it can fade to shoot. If it can crack my red line right here, it can go to shoot. It can go back to the 260s. My support lines are sitting right there at 260. Has to crack it though. Okay, nice. Let's go. KCAC spiking up. TCON is clearly on the backside now. I just covered half of TCON. I'm still holding 10,000 shares, 10,000 more shares. I was in 20,000 shares on TCON. Let's go. See. Look like it's holding up right here. I'm going ahead and get out. All out. Now I'm up 15,000. Well, 16,000. I'm up $16,000. Yeah, it's all good, huh, son? Hey, write in the chat for voice commentary, cause I don't know. KCAC looking weak. I said I wasn't gonna short it until it cracked all my lines, but the way it's looking right now, I may start in early. I do got a big cushion. I'm not gonna go in big, but I can get in with a starter. Let me see how it does right here. So let's see how KCAC plays out. Like I said, it looks weak by looking at the price action. I mean, it's still dealing with my first line. It got that first line to deal with. They got 3 more lines to try to pass through. That's very tough. But we're gonna see. The main line I'm looking at is that red line. That's the king right there. So if it breaks through that line, then we good. Okay, we looking good. It's still fine with my green line. That's like the weakest line, and it's fighting with that line. So that's what I'm saying. They could be tricking shorts into thinking it's gonna crash, but it's really not. See, I'm prepared for all of that, just in case. Okay, boom, we're looking weak now. Let's go. I may add some shares right here. I might add 2 more thousand. I might add. I'm gonna wait for it to crack my red line first. Cause if KCAC truly on the downside, it has a lot of room down. I mean, it has a lot of room to fade. I just added more. Now I have 4,000 shares total. My entry, my average is 1556 now. Cause it's looking heavy on my red line. Looks like it's gonna crack it. Okay, it's popping back up. Just a little bit. Added more. Now I have 6,000 shares total now. See, it's confirming. This is how you stay safe. Let me see. Let's go. I'm in full size now. If we can crack this level, it looks weak. If it spikes up, I just get out. Okay. If it holds lower highs, I'm good. I mean, all these lines are bunched up right here, man. So it's gonna be tough for it to crack. But once it do, that's all she wrote. It should head all the way back down to 13, like the 1350s, if it can crack that level. Only if it can. Okay, it looks like it's holding my lines. Let's see. Let's see, can it hold a lower high though? I'm looking at that. I'm looking at that also. Still looking at the price action. Let's see if it double tops. If it double tops, I'm gonna hold it. If it don't, I'm out. Overall, though, if you look at the trend, it is in the uptrend overall, but it is making lower highs too. So it should hit a wedge somewhere, and it's gonna really pick a direction. So it looks like it's holding that lower high. And if it keeps coming down like it's doing right now, back to the support, if it keeps knocking on the door, it should break through it. Vice versa, if it keeps knocking on the door on the resistance levels, it should break out. Yeah, it's like it's breaking out. Yeah. Give it a little bit more. Previous high sitting at 16.19. It has a lot of previous resistance, so I don't want to get out and get out before it to just crash back down. I want to make sure. You got to prove to me it's an uptrend. I'm willing to take a bigger loss just to see, because I know if this thing fades, the reward is gonna be nice. Let's see. They're having a hard time. Let's see. Nah, it's not. It's breaking out. Go ahead and get out. Yeah. Well, let me see. All out. So it is uptrending. So I mean, I'm done with KCAC now. I'm done with it. Cranty, I don't know if you was listening, but I said it was on the backside. I'm waiting for the backside. So TCON hit the backside. That's why I went in short. But now I'm up 8,000 now. So after that, um, after that trade, I'm probably not gonna trade anymore. I want to protect my gains. I was willing to lose bigger than I wanted to, just to see how it was gonna react on the resistance level. So it's all good. Can't go wrong with 8,000. I don't see nothing else in play. No. It's 11 o'clock. Nah, I'm not gonna bother IGC. I need something with some volume and actually moving for me to trade right now. After taking that loss, like I don't wanna bullshit around with stocks that's barely moving. I need something that's moving, or it's not worth my time. I'd rather just not have the headache and just be content with my gains. That's how you get in trouble. You keep trading, keep trading, keep trading when something not there. Then before you know it, now I'm break even or losing when I should have just stopped. KCIC could be a nice long, but the way it did at the open, where it spiked up and just sold off like that, I don't trust this stock now. I don't trust it at all. It showed me that it can fool longs. Like it didn't keep that uptrend like cleanly, like going up. So I'm just gonna leave this stock alone. That play is over with for Court. I was looking at it, but the play is over with. Like it's dead now. If I was gonna short it, I was gonna short it on that bounce in the 20s. But it's in the 19s. The play is over with. Like it's bleeding out. I mean, it's really not doing nothing. So I was focused on KCAC. But Court is over with. Y'all got any questions? I'm probably done for today.